Can you restore missing chats in Character.ai app? So right now there is some weird bug going on, like users reporting that some of their chats are just disappearing from Character.ai app. So, and if, for example, you just have, chat with AI character disappeared, then you can easily restore it just by going back to the search and just finding the same character, and it should fix and then just tap on it and or just find the exact same name and avatar, and then it should you should just basically restore it. So but if it's a group chat, I don't know what to do. Like, then you just need to re-add all the same people and all the same bots and friends. So try that. But for some people, their private chats are completely gone as well. So I don't know, like, seems this is just a weird glitch. So you can make sure to update the app to the latest version. You can wait 1, 2, 3 days. Also make sure to go and export all your data into your settings here, because we don't know what is happening with this app, just to be sure. And of course, then you can go to support.character.ai website and create a support ticket. Maybe they will solve something for you, but seems this app is just quite buggy, and maybe devs just made a mistake, or I don't know, something happened there. So yeah, if you have any suggestions, just leave them in the comments. So far, there is no a clear solution to this bug. Seems this is just like a bug, and that's what it is.